Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. Today we will start PDF automation. In PDF automation, mainly we are working on PDF file only. For example, how to read PDF files, how to get data from PDFs, how to count PDF pages, etc. So in this video, today we will learn two activities of PDF automation. First is export PDF page as image, and second export images from PDF activity. So let's go to the UiPath and see these activities with example. So I'm opening UiPath Studio. So you can see the screen. I'm in the UiPath Studio. So here uh, I'm using that two activities, and how to use that will show you. So here search. So firstly I want to tell you one thing. He- Here I'm searching PDF. So you can see these activities in the PDF. So in if you are direct you are searching the PDF here, so you don't get any activities. In that case you need to go to the manage package and go to the all and search here PDF. So you can see here PDF activities, UiPath PDF activities. This is a package. So you need to install this package. Click on this and install and click on the save. So I have already installed this package. So I'm not doing again. So I'm canceling here. So after this, you get these activities. Okay. So firstly you do that. Then you come on the activity part. So first today we will see above two activities: export PDF as image and extract image from PDF. So I'm taking the first export PDF as image. So you have a one PDF file, and you wanted to that PDF converted on the image. So then you need then you use this activity. So here asking two parameters. First is the file name. So please provide the file name. So I'm providing here any file name, PDF file. Okay. So I have provided this PDF. And second, asking the output in the file name. So provide the output file. So in the double quote, you can write any name. So I am writing the banker statement. This is banker statement. So writing bank S T banker statement dot jpg. Okay. So never forget to write the extension. Okay. So after that you need one another parameter, that is a page number. So how many page you want to extract as image? So I want to the one page. So this is the one page PDF. So I'm providing one. Okay. So now Control S, and I will show you the file. So you can see here uh, bank statement is already. So I'm delete that. So this is a PDF. So here you can see there is no images available. So now again I'm running the bot, and you can see process executed. So go to the here, and you can see this is a PDF file that we used. This is a bank statement, and after you get the image of that PDF. So this is a use of this activity. So now we see the another activity, that is a extract image from PDF. So I'm using these activities, and here you need to provide the PDFs that uh, that you want to get images from that PDF. So I'm here providing the present simple this PDF. I'm use that, and after that we need some more parameter to give here. So here you can see the output folder name. It's asking the output folder name, so you can copy the output folder name. So you can see here I am creating the output folder. So you can see here the multiples output. So I select all and delete. So in the output there's no files, so I'm copy this path and go to the UiPath, and here in the double quote you can paste. Okay, and in the other, if you are using the password protected, so you can provide here the password as well. If this PDF is password protected, then you can provide the password here. If you we have a don't we don't have a password protected PDF, so mainly we are providing two parameters. So now again save this file and run this file. So in the output section there is no files currently. So now I'm running this code, and you can see the images are extracted from the PDFs. So now process is completed. Go to the output. You can see here. So in that PDF, there's a lots of images available. Like this is the image, and you can go below. These are the images in the use in the PDF. So all the image extract from the PDF and uh, paste in the output folder. So this is a use of this activity. So I hope you understand the both activities, what is the use of that activities and how to use that, and in that activity what is the parameter is necessary. So that's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.